So, because my original voiceover for some reason didn't save and isn't working, I have to re-upload this like this. The Redcat Racing Terremoto 10 V2, available as a SUV or a pickup in black, blue, or red, is an all-wheel drive basher with a 3000 kV brushless motor and a 60 amp ESC, allowing it to be 2 or 3 cell LiPo capable. This truck will do somewhere between 20 and 40 if you put in the right battery and you mess with the gearing a little bit. Mine, all I did was add lights. It's perfect the way it is for what I want. 55 millimeters of ground clearance, aluminum threaded body shocks for adjustable suspension, all steel drivetrain, steel drive shafts, steel CVDs, and steel cups. It is a very formidable basher for the price. When I bought mine new at a local hobby shop that is no longer around, I paid about $250 for it. You can still find them for about that price if you can find them. Redcat has them, some hobby shops will have them, but if you want a basher for under $300, this is definitely a truck to get. I let my dogs chase it around because it's fast enough to stay ahead of them, even though they got my tire one day. The truck handles the abuse very well. Mine, the cups are a little worn. You can see some wear from just beating the piss out of it, but it has gone through everything that I've put it through. Snow, water, rain, asphalt, dirt, rocks, mud. This truck will handle basically any abuse you put it through and just keep going. It is a very solid truck, very solid platform. I know people harp on Redcat a lot because some of their older stuff, well, was just not very good, but a lot of their newer trucks are definitely worth the money, even though they are a bit more entry grade than some of the other brands. But for what you pay for, you get a remarkable machine that is capable of having some really good fun with. Parts are pretty easily and readily available on eBay or through your local hobby shop. Redcat's still around, they're still going strong, so parts are pretty easy to find. Pretty easy truck to work on, and definitely, like I said, worth the money.